press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Next topic trigonometry basics or board syllabus. So first word is in trigonometry angle. We must know the definition of the word angle. Angle okay. First let O be the initial point and let us draw one horizontal line through O. Let it be OX. This is the OX line. It is called OX line means it is called initial line. Initial line. Later, let us rotate this OX line about O up to like that. Suppose up to OP. Up to OP means, for example, this is O, initial point. This is the initial line. For example, if it is rotated or rotates like that, then this amount of rotation or the measurement of rotation is called the angle. This is the simple definition. Means this is called an angle. An angle. Okay. Actually here OP is called terminal line. This is called initial line. This one is called terminal line or generating line. This is called generating line or terminal line. Okay. Actually, it should be rotated through clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction means what? So this is a clockwise direction, just like that. Next, anti-clockwise direction means like that. Anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise direction rotation. Understand? So in the diagram, clockwise direction. Actually, this is the wall clock 12. This is 6, 3, and 9 like that. Clockwise direction means this direction. Anti-clockwise direction means this is anti-clockwise direction. So the rotation means if the arrow mark is like that, it is called anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. If the arrow mark is like that, it is clockwise direction. If the rotation is in this direction, anti-clockwise direction, then angle is treating as positive or measured as positive or is said to be positive. Next, in this direction it is negative. Clockwise direction it is negative. In anti-clockwise direction the angle is positive. Next, actually the angles are represented by the Greek words, namely theta, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, like that, etc. So this is the small definition of angle. Understand? And 0 is called the origin. It is called the origin. So therefore O is origin, OX is the initial line, OP line is a terminal line or generating line. Next, directions. Rotation should be either in anti-clockwise direction or clockwise direction. If the rotation is in anti-clockwise direction, then angle is said to be positive. If the rotation is in clockwise direction, angle is said to be negative. Generally, the angles are denoted by the Greek words, namely alpha, beta, gamma, delta, theta, etc., etc. Next, kinds of angles. Next, kinds of angles or different kinds of angles. Okay, 1 minute. Actually, this is origin. This is initial line OX. Initial line OX. Next, it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction like that, and this is a half rotation, and this is called one complete revolution. Understand? So therefore, in complete revolution means it is half revolution. It is a half revolution. Next, this one is means OX. This one is a complete revolution. Complete one complete revolution. Okay, revolution, one complete revolution. Okay, so therefore the complete revolution means this is the complete revolution. Okay, next let us divide this complete revolution into 360 equal parts like that, and so on. So therefore we are dividing means one revolution is dividing or divided by 360 equal parts. 360 equal parts. For example, take one ball shape any article. For example, take apple, and let us cut it into 3 equal parts like that with blade. Right. Each part is called 1 degree. Then 1 degree means that 1 degree is equal to 1 by 360 at the revolution. So by cross multiplication, 360 degrees. 360 actually 1 degree means it is denoted by 1 to the power of small 0. So 360 degrees is equal to 1 complete revolution. So therefore that's why complete revolution will be in the circle shape. Therefore the angle in a circle is 360 degrees. 360 degrees, right? So 1 degree it is denoted by 1 power small 0. Right. Next, let us take 1 degree. For example, this much is 1 degree. Let it be, this is 1 degree angle. Understand? Next, let us divide. Let us divide means divide this 1 degree into 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts. Therefore each part that is 1 degree by 60, it is one part. This each part is called 1 minute. 1 minute means what? So by cross multiplication, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Let us take it is denoted by 1 to the power of 1 small 1. It is the notation for minutes. Next, take 1 minute. Take 1 minute. For example, this is a 1 minute angle. For example, and let us divide this into equally 60 parts. So divide 1 minute into 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts means what? 1 minute by 60. It is called 1 part. This 1 part is called 1 second. 1 second. It is denoted by 1 to the power of just like that, 2 dashes like that. So therefore 1 minute by 60, that is equal to 1 second, or by cross multiplication 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So therefore Therefore, in this lesson, the main points is number one, one complete revolution, is equal to 360 degrees. Next, second point, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Third point, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So, this is called sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system. Understand? Or English system. In this system, actually, is it visible here? Right. Actually, 90 degrees is called a right angle. 90 degrees is called a right angle. One right angle. 90 degrees is called a right angle. Means what? For example, this is initial line. This is initial point, means origin. Next, if the rotation, for example, this is OX, 90 degrees means like that. 90 degrees means like that. This is 90 degrees. So, this is capital P. Means what? It is 1/4 of 1/4 of one revolution. Means what? One complete revolution. One complete revolution means like that, anti-clockwise direction. So this is 1/4. Next, this is half revolution. Next, this is 3/4, and this is one complete revolution, like that. So therefore, it is called 1/4 of one revolution. Means what? One revolution 360 degrees divided by 4. It is called 90 degrees. Graphically, it is denoted by or represented by like that. We have to represent just like a square or rectangle, just like 7 times. Okay. So therefore, here we notice that it is denoted by XOP. This angle. This is the notation for angle. Is equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees and it is a right angle. It is a right angle. Okay. Later now we are learning how to represent the different types of angles. Means 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90, 270, 180, 360, like that. Okay. You come here. 45 degrees. How can we represent 45 degrees? Actually, this is O. You see here. Look at the board. This is 90. This is 90. 45 means correct half. So correct half means this is correct half. Almost I'll draw like that. So this is OP, means terminated line or terminal line or generating line. So this angle is 45 degrees. Arrow mark is upside, means upwards. So means what? It is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. That's why I wrote here plus 45 degrees. Understand? Okay. How can we find, is it in positive direction or negative direction? Arrow mark says us whether it is a positive direction or in negative direction. Then we can assign here the sign either plus or minus, like that. Okay, 45 degrees. Later 30 degrees, how can we represent? This is X. Okay, correct half means 45 degrees. 30 means just less than. So it is 30 degrees, like that. Next, OP. This is the terminating point. 30 degrees. For 30 degrees, we have to represent like that. Almost all means just we are representing approximately, that's all. Okay. Next, 60 degrees. Actually, this is 45. Another 15 means it may be like that. So, this is x-axis. Next, 60 degrees means that just like that. This is O. This is capital P. And it is measured in anti-clockwise direction. Means positive direction. It is 60 degrees. Later, 90 plus 45, how much? 135 degrees. So how can we represent 135 degrees? This is x, means it is 90 degrees. Another 45 degrees means like that. So this is 135 degrees. This is 135 degrees. So it is 135 degrees. This is capital P. Okay, 135 degrees. Later, 180 degrees. 180 degrees means what? 180 degree means was this is 90, another 90, 180, like that. Means it should be, for example, this is x, next this is capital P. So rotation is in positive direction. It is called 180 degrees. Of course, it is called straight line angle. Straight line angle. Later, 180 plus 45 is what? 225. So this is x, means initial line. This is O. So 180 45 means, for example, say capital P. So this C is 180 plus 45 means it is 225 degrees. We have to represent like that for 225 degrees. Next 270. Next x O 270. This is capital P. 270 means we have to represent like that. 270 degrees. It is 270 degrees. Next 270 plus 45 is 315. So how can we represent 315? So this is x. Next this one is 315. This is initial point, origin. So this angle, total angle is 315 degrees. Another 45, 315 plus 45, 360. So this is called, this is x-axis. So O, like that. We have to represent like that. Where is P? On itself, P. So it is called 360 degrees. Okay. One small doubt. How can we represent for negative angles? For example, take minus 30. Minus 30 means that this is x, means the initial line. This is origin. So OP is here. Okay. In the same rotation. Minus means what? In negative direction. Means in clockwise direction. Will be like that. So therefore, this is capital P. But we have to mention the direction will be like that. Understand? This 30 degrees means it is upwards. This is downwards. So it is called minus 30 degrees. Minus stands for the direction. So in different ways we are representing like that for the different angles 30, 60, 45, 90, 180, 225, and next 270, 360, like that. This is graphical representation of different positive and negative angles. Next system, centesimal. Centesimal system. Centesimal system or French system. French system. Already we did know about a right angle 90 degrees. Actually, let us take the 90 degrees. 90 degrees in the sexagesimal system or English system. It is represented as like that. X, initial line, origin or initial point. So this is capital P. This is called one right angle 90 degrees. One right angle 90 degrees. Here in sexagesimal system or English system, we are dividing into 60 equal parts. Here also 60 equal parts, 60 equal parts, just like that. But here divide 90 degrees into 100 equal parts. 100 equal parts. How? Like that. First part, second part, just like the third part, fourth, and so on up to 100th part. 100th part. Divide like that. Okay, means what? Each part is equal to 100 on rectangle divided by, means 90 degrees divided by 100. 90 degrees divided by 100. So each part equal to, we are dividing by 100 equal parts, means 90 degrees by 100. So this is called one grade. It is simply denoted by 1 to the power of small z, just like that. So therefore 90 degrees by 100, that is equal to 1 power g, means 1 grade. So that implies by the cross multiplication 90 degrees equal to 100 grade. So therefore 90 degrees equal to 100 grade. Okay, let us multiply with 2. So 180 degrees equal to into 2 means 200 grades. 200 grades. Okay, and here listen, understand. One grade means divide 1 grade into 100 equal parts. Means what? One part is equal to one part equal to 1 grade divided by 100. So this is called 1 minute. In this system, French system, it is denoted by 1 minute, just like that. Therefore 1 grade by 100 equal to 1 minute. That implies 1 grade equal to, by cross multiplication, 100 minutes. This is different. Next, similarly, take 1 minute and divide 1 minute into 100 equal parts. 100 equal parts. That is, each part or each part or one part equal to 1 minute by 100. So this is called 1 second. So 1 second is denoted by 1 to the power of 2 dashes. So therefore 1 minute by 100 equal to 1 second. By cross multiplication, 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. So therefore in French system 90 degrees equal to 100 grades, first point. Second point, 180, and here 180 degrees equal to 200 grades. Later 1 grade 1 power g equal to 100 minutes. Another point, 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. This is called centesimal system or French system. Next system, circular system. Circular system or radian system. Radian system. For example, let us take one circle with center, origin, and its radius, say small r. Let capital A, comma, capital B be the 2 points on the circle. Then OB is the radius, OA is also the radius. This is the radius, this is the radius. Now we are getting sector like that, O, A, B. So therefore this is the angle at the center of the circle. Let it be theta, right? So therefore angle AOB is equal to theta, right? It is what? This one is what? Means this one. It is what? Tell me. This is length of the arc. it is denoted by length of the arc AOB. Simple notation, AOB, like that. It is the notation for length of the arc. Generally, the length of the arc is denoted by small l. So, this is the angle theta made by the arc at the center of the circle. Let it be theta. Of course, OB radius, OA is radius. This is called sector. Sector means one part in a circle, right? Okay. L stands for length of the arc. Okay. Next, here, let us compare LR. In this case, L is not equal to R. L not equal to R. So, theta is the angle made by the arc at the center of the circle, whereas L not equal to R. Right. Let us take another circle. This is the circle. This is O center. Next, radius. This is R. It is capital A. It is also R. Next, this is the angle made at center of the circle. This is AOB, length of the arc. For example, means actually it is denoted by L. For example, let us take L equal to R. Means our assumption, length of the arc is equal to radius of the circle. So this length is also, this length means L, that is equal to R. So there is the vital difference between these two diagrams. These two are these two. What is the difference? L not equal to R in the first diagram, L equal to R in the second diagram. In this case only, this theta, in this case only, theta is called, means this angle is called 1 radian. Actually, it is denoted by simply just number 1. 1 means a real number. R 1 to the power of small c, like that. It is called 1 radian. So, the definition is, let O be the center of the circle, small r be the radius of the circle, and suppose capital A comma capital B be the 2 points on the circle. Next, if angle AOB is equal to radius, then this angle is called 1 radian. So main condition is L equal to R. If L equal to R, then only this angle is called 1 radian. It is denoted by 1 to the power of C. Just like that. Okay. So therefore, angles are measured by 3 ways. Namely, sexagesimal system or English system. Number 2, centesimal system or French system. Number 3, circular system or radian system. This is different kinds of measurement of the angle. Next, let us consider the different sizes of the circles. For example, let us take this kind of a circle. For example, its radius is, let it be R1. Understand? Okay, diameter is equal to 2R1. Diameter is equal to 2R1. Let us find one ratio that is called circumference of the circle divided by diameter. Let us find this ratio for this given circle. Okay, we obtain some value. Next, let us take another different size circle. Its center is here. For example, this is capital C1, this is capital C2. Its radius is different, R2. Again, find circumference of the circle divided by diameter. Even though it is a different size, we are getting the same ratio. Next time, let us take another different size circle. Okay, its center is C3, its radius is R3. Find the circumference divided by diameter. Unexpectedly, we are obtaining almost the same value. So what is happening? For different sizes of circle, we are obtaining the fixed ratio. The fixed ratio. It is what? Circumference. It is what? Circumference of the circle divided by diameter. It is the fixed ratio. For this fixed ratio, the scientist is used the Greek letter pi, pi. It is denoted by just like that, pi. So, pi means fixed ratio of which circumference of the circle and diameter of the circle. Thus, we obtain later circumference means 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Diameter is 2r. 2 cancel, r cancel. It is only pi, just like that. Understand? Right. So this is about pi. Later we derive one theorem, standard theorem. 3.1428571429, just like that. And this is called as an irrational number. And in division algorithm, this value is very nearby 22 by 7. That's why pi is approximately equal to 22 by 7. For mathematical convenient, instead of pi, we are using 22 by 7. Important theorem is there. The radian is a constant angle. Theorem number 1. Theorem number 1. The radian is a constant angle. Okay, this is the theorem. Right. Here, let us consider a circle with a center O and a radius small r. Next, let capital A comma capital B be the 2 points so that angle AOB is 1 radian. Means what? This is length of the arc. Means length of the arc, AB arc is equal to R, capital R. Then only it is possible to write, it is possible to say 1 radian. Already I showed there. If L is equal to R, then this angle is 1 radian. So I put here, I assumed that 1 radian. Therefore, definitely length of the arc is equal to radius. Understand? Next, okay, I will write the words proof. Let O and small r be the center and radius of circle of a circle, and let capital A comma capital B be the points on it, so that angle AOB equal to 1 radian. For our convenient we are taking 1 radian. Okay, therefore then definitely length of the arc, that is simply AB arc, that is equal to R. Okay, right, 1 radian. Next, you come here. Let us extend this AO up to C so that it meets the circle. Let us extend AO bar, means segment, AO bar up to C, up to capital C, so that it meets the circle. It meets the circle. Therefore, definitely AC, total length, is equal to diameter. Diameter means 2 into R. Understand? Right. Next. So, you come here. Angle and angle AOC. How much? Tell me. Angle AOC. Angle AOC means this is OA. Angle AOC means half revolution, means 180 degrees. It is called 180 degrees. Okay. So therefore, we know that how many arcs are there? Namely, this one AB and ABC. 2 arcs are there. 2 arcs are related to one circle. Understand? That is what we are writing. We know that the ratio of the angles made by the arcs of a circle is equal to the ratio, RT means ratio, 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 equal to the ratio of lengths of the arcs. Means angles and lengths of the arcs are equally proportionate to each other, like that. That is angle AOB divided by angle AOC, 2 arcs, that is equal to AOC angle means length of arc AB divided by this one is length of arc AC or AOC, we can say like that. So that implies angle AOB, how much? Angle AOB is 1 radian. 1 divided by angle AOC is 180 degrees. This is 180 degrees. That is equal to length of the arc means R, radius, small r, divided by length of the arc AOC. Length of the arc AOC means like that, AOC, like that. Total this means half circumference. Actually, total circumference 2 pi r. Half means like that. So 2 cancel. It remains only pi r. Okay, r cancel. So that implies 1 by 180 degrees is equal to 1 by pi. So that implies pi that is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, pi is equal to 180 degrees. So actually here pi means pi into 1 equal to 180 degrees. So that implies 1 equal to 180 degrees by pi. 1 means already I noted here 1 or 1 power c. It is called 1 radian. So therefore 1 radian equal to 180 degrees by pi. It is the constant angle. It is the constant or fixed constant angle. So therefore radian, 1 radian means radian. Therefore radian is a constant angle. Hence the theorem.